You see here on our property, the towers have many eyes, not just one. And they're always watching to see something. Would you rather watch this or a random CSX train passing through just on the other side of those towers? I personally think I would rather watch the CSX train going by. Seems like these videos do just as well. And I personally would prefer to save the CSX videos until I'm making money. But of course, if I post a video like this when I'm making money, I can say I made money off of videos like this without leaving the house. And all the while, the birds are watching me, judging me, as the little particles of water hit the electrical cables running over my head, energizing the water as it hits my head and gives me superpowers. It is March 24th, 2020, as of the recording of this video. And it is... I don't have a clock with me. Somewhere around 7 o'clock. That's about it.